This is for you. This is for you. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. This is my friend. This is my friend. On the first floor. On the first floor. Where did you learn English? Got it. Got it. How do you go to the office? How do you go to the office? I forgot. I forgot. Sounds great. Sounds great. Do your work on your own. Do your work on your own. How you got late? How you got late? Keep in touch. Keep in touch. No, never. No, never. What will you use it for? What will you use it for? I am quite all right. I am quite all right. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Will you come again? Will you come again? Take bath. Take bath. Come on, you are getting late. Come on, you are getting late. He cancelled his trip to France. He cancelled his trip to France. Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? What to know? What to know? I am very happy right now. I am very happy right now. She knows. She knows. Where are the books? Where are the books? See you tonight. See you tonight. They are worried about you. They are worried about you. It's different. It's different. I work in a hotel. I work in a hotel. What did you eat? What did you eat? Wait 2 minutes for me. Wait 2 minutes for me. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. You are a number cheater. You are a number cheater. The apples are ripe. The apples are ripe. Am I clear? Am I clear? How to go? How to go? Let's meet. Let's meet. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? What has he eaten? What has he eaten? How is your sister now? How is your sister now? I would like to make a call. I would like to make a call. Got it. Got it. Try to understand me. Try to understand me. Hurry up. Hurry up. When can I have it? When can I have it? What next? What next? Take the decision. Take the decision. Get ready. Get ready. I thought he said something else. I thought he said something else. Have you eaten? Have you eaten? He will leave in half an hour. He will leave in half an hour. Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? Look around. Look around. Wait for him. Wait for him. Anyways, let it go. Anyways, let it go. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. Get lost from here. Get lost from here. Come in. Come in. I can't express how sorry I am. I can't express how sorry I am. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. Listen to me. Listen to me. Keep searching. Keep searching. Open the cover. Open the cover. I am free on Sunday. I am free on Sunday. In the meantime. In the meantime. Do you want to talk about it? Do you want to talk about it? Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? The big one or the small one? The big one or the small one? I don't care. I don't care. No smoking. No smoking. Cut down on tea. Cut down on tea. You became fat. You became fat. I like the girl. I like the girl. It is my car. It is my car. I like her. I like her. Is that true? Is that true? Can't think what to say. Can't think what to say. Set the table. Set the table. I wish I could. I wish I could. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. I would like to rent a taxi. I would like to rent a taxi. When did you arrive in Mumbai? When did you arrive in Mumbai? He has made my life difficult. He has made my life difficult. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. Can you find it? Can you find it? Now or never? Now or never? I am leaving. I am leaving. Clean up. Clean up. I am going to leave. I am going to leave. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you know? Do you know? From time to time. From time to time. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. You may go. You may go. This is my friend. This is my friend. How dare you? How dare you? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where is she? Where is she? He works in a bank. He works in a bank. That means friend. That means friend. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.